Chapter 1. Why this is an incredibly exciting time to develop games for Android. This is a golden age for independent game developers. There was a time like this once before. It was during early days of home computer, the days of the ZX Spectrum and Amstrad. So, uh, here the author is saying that this is an important age or a golden age. That means opportunity, that means it is an opportunistic age. That means we have a lot of opportunities for game development for an individual game developer. No matter how big your development or your budget, there was only so much you could do with your hardware. That means during the early age of home computer, no matter how big your development or your budget, there was only so much you could do with your hardware. This put everyone on a new level of playing field and meant that a keen programmer could have a veritable hit like Acnoid from the comfort of their basement. So during that age, it was uh, easy to build games. Not only does every model in game like that need to be designed from scratch and every single line of dialogue need to be recorded, but simply coding the amount of physics that determine the way things explode would be impossible undertaking for lone developer. But it was still difficult for a alone developer to perform physics on different objects in game. The Fed interval, the growth in mobile devices and operating systems like iOS and Android introduced a new lower spec devices. So Android and iOS operating systems are now evolved, and they are introducing a new lower spec devices like for a few dollars or few thousand $100 we can get a um, proper working or a decent working Android device or which is capable of gaming also. So it has introduced a new lower spec devices. Meanwhile, better distribution channels like Google Play Store, iTunes App Store, and even Steam have helped smart time developers get their creations discovered. So there are also a lot of platforms like Google Play Store, iTunes App Store, and even Steam. They are helping for building games and launching games. Slowly, more and more indie developers began releasing games to critical acclaim, and over time, this eventually translated to commercial success. So, a lot of individual developers began releasing their games on Apple App Store and Google Play Store, and this eventually translated to commercial success means this was translated means this was converted into commercial success, that means they're earning. So they were earning a lot. Later artistic attempts like Limbo or Photonica have shown that stylistic visuals can be just as eye-catching as hyperreal graphics. So Limbo was a game, and Photonica, these games have shown that not only graphics, that means higher hyperreal graphics or very real graphics, they should be used, but also stylist visuals can also be eye-catching. So these games have shown that. With many gamers gradually becoming indifferent towards generic, big budget sequels like Overegged, Call of Duty franchise, indie games have crafted a niche for themselves and gained a reputation for being able to offer experiences that are more creative and daring. Notable for examples are popular walking sims have been gained popularity lately. That means it has shown that individual developers can also produce games and they can be profitable too, like high end games also. So individual developers have also proven that they can also make money.